Today you will learn how to make the real chocolate cake that melts in your mouth quickly and icily. There's no way to resist. Let's start our recipe by adding 3 eggs to the blender. Then add a cup of sugar. Remembering that my cup is 240 milliliters, also add a cup of powdered chocolate. I'm using 50% cocoa. Once this is done, we will add half a cup of oil. Also add a cup of milk. I'm using warm milk. We are going to cover it and let it blend very well. It's already perfect here. Now, in a bowl, you are going to add 2 cups of wheat flour. Also add the entire mixture from the blender. This cake is wonderful, incredible. Then you will mix everything very well. You're going to beat the batter very well until you reach that point. A very smooth batter. It's already perfect here. Then you will add a spoonful of chemical yeast. And mix everything again until the yeast is incorporated into the whole batter. It's perfect here. Now let's add it to the mold. You're going to add the batter in a greased and floured mold. You are going to lightly tape it like this to remove the air, and then you will take it to the oven preheated to 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare our brigadeiro topping in the pan. Let's add 2 boxes of condensed milk. Then you will add 6 spoons of powdered chocolate. Also add a spoonful of butter. And then mix everything very well. Our icing is ready. Our cake is also ready. What a delight! Now let's drill holes like this in the cake. Let's add all the chocolate icing on top. Spread it well. Add sprinkles on top. Let's remove a piece. Look at this yummy, soft, delicious cake. This cake is so delicious. Do it at home, then check back here in the comments and tell me what you think.